Hi, my name is Luis, and in this video I'll show you how to use the KROFtools Brake Caliper Rewind Toolkit. Most cars have two types of brake calipers. They either have easily retractable pistons or they don't. This happens because those brake calipers are usually integrated with handbrakes or other forms of more sophisticated brake systems. This means that they require a special kind of tool to retract them when you need to replace the brake pads. Luckily, the KROFtools Rewind Toolkit does exactly what you need and is compatible with dozens of brands and models. Let's take a look at how it works. Start by removing the brake caliper from the brake disc. Then choose the most fitting adapter and tool from the toolkit. After placing the adapter against the piston, make sure the tool is fastened against the caliper. Now just screw the tool until the piston is retracted enough to fit the new brake pads. It can't get more versatile than this. A toolkit that will make your life much easier and that fits a great majority of car models is definitely a must-have in any workshop. What do you think? Share your thoughts on the comment section below and subscribe to our channel to get all the product news. Thank you for watching.